Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit card data with BMO Harris Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the BMO Harris Bank website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Security Settings section. Here, you will find options to enhance the security of your account. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. This feature requires a verification code sent to your mobile device every time you log in. Next, look for the option to set up transaction alerts. Enable alerts for purchases made with your credit card. This will notify you immediately of any unauthorized transactions. Consider using virtual card numbers for online purchases. BMO Harris Bank offers this service to help protect your actual card information. When making online purchases, use secure websites. Look for HTTPS in the URL and a padlock symbol in the address bar. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for transactions. If necessary, use a virtual private network to secure your connection. Regularly monitor your credit card statements for any suspicious activity. Report any unauthorized charges to BMO Harris Bank right away. Keep your contact information up to date with the bank. This ensures you receive important security notifications. Lastly, educate yourself about phishing scams and how to recognize them. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your credit card data with BMO Harris Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.